Welcome to Chuck's Metal Models.
I made this birdhouse here out of Meccano parts. It's got a little opening in front, little overhang on the front and on the side, no overhang on the back in case you want to hang it on a wall. Right now I got this on a stand, and you can open up the bottom to clean it out. It's kind of the little birdhouse you made back in school out of wood, but I made it out of Meccano parts. So let me know what you think of it.
Thank you from Chuck's Metal Models. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. Until we build again.